In this video, we will be learning about complex and delete attribute method. Complex method returns a complex number when real and imaginary part are provided, or it converts a string to a complex number. So let's take a variable z. Let's say we take z as complex of 2 comma minus 3. Okay, and then we will be printing the z, so you can see the real part and the imaginary part. Okay, similarly let's take z is equal to complex 1 and let's print the z. So you can see here the complex part has become 0, that is the imaginary part is 0j. Similarly let's take complex, okay, and let's print the z. So you can see here 0j. Similarly let's take a string this time, complex, let's say 5 minus 9j, okay, and let's print the z. So you can see here it has printed 5 minus 9j. So let's create a complex number without using the complex method. Okay, so let's say a is equals 2 plus 3j. Okay, let's print a and let's print the type of a. Okay, so you can see here it has printed the value of a and then the class is complex. Similarly let's take 2 equals, let's say minus 2j, b is equals to minus 2j, we'll be printing b and the type of b, let's say type b. So here also it has given minus 0, minus 2j and class as complex. Similarly let's take 0j, print x, okay, and let's print the type of x. So here also you can see it is giving the type as complex. So now let's see about the delete attribute. So let me comment delete attribute, DELATTR. Okay, so delete attribute deletes an attribute from the object if the object allows it. Okay, so let's create a class, let's say coordinate. Okay, we are creating a coordinate class and we will see how delete attribute works. So let's store 10 inside x, and in y let's say minus of 5, and in z let's say 0. Okay, so I'm going to make another variable, point1 equals coordinate. Okay, and then let's print point1 dot x and printing point 1 dot y, and similarly we will be printing the value of point 1 dot z. So let's print it so you can see the values. So let's delete the attribute coordinate, and we'll be deleting z. Okay, and now let's say we run it. Okay, so it has been deleted. So let's print the z this time to raise an error because z has been deleted. So let's say point 1 dot z. Once again I am going to print. So here it is giving attribute error, object has no attribute z. So because we have deleted this, so let's delete it once again. So here attribute z is removed from the coordinate class using delete attribute coordinate and z. So let's delete attribute using del operator. Okay, so we'll be using the same as x is equals 10, y is equals to the, let's say minus 5, and z is equals to or 0. Okay, so coordinate. Okay, so we'll be printing the same thing. So let's print it and see the values once again. So we'll get the same values. Here it is. Let's comment this line so that we won't get the error once again. So you can see the values. So let's delete this time using the del keyword. Del coordinate, okay, and we'll be deleting z this time. Okay, so let's see, it has deleted. So let's print z once again. Let's see what happens. So point 1 dot z. So let's run it. So again you can see there is an attribute error. The output of the program will be the same as the above.